In this video, I'll show you how to set up bookoly with n8n in 3 simple steps. First, we will install the bookoly community node. Then we'll use a Google account for Drive and Sheets and also for the bookoly registration. In the final step, we'll register at bookoly.com and generate your API token to connect n8n with bookoly. Here is how to install the bookoly community node manually. Click on your avatar in n8n and select Settings. From the left menu, choose Community Nodes and click Install a Community Node. Next, insert the value for the npm package name. I've placed the package name and the link to the npm package in the description box below. Then check the confirmation checkbox and click Install. After the installation is done, you'll see the node in the Community Nodes list. Create a new workflow. Add the first step and type bookoly into the search box. The bookoly node will now appear with a hint that says, "This is a node from our community." Then I recommend using a Google account, not only to register at bookoly.com, but also to integrate with Google Drive and Google Sheets for content management. Once you sign up, remember, a Google account is free and gives you access to these tools at no cost. In the final step, we'll register at bookoly.com and create the API token. You can easily sign up using your Google account. Once registered, go to Profile under Settings, then scroll down to the API Tokens section. Click Create, fill in a name for your token, enable all permissions, and optionally set an expiration date for added security. Then click Submit. Store your new token securely and copy it to the clipboard. Then choose a bookoly subscription plan or start with prepaid credits. This step is required to use all bookoly features through the API. Back in n8n, add any bookoly node and click Select Credentials. Then create new credentials. Paste your API token into the input field and click Save. That's it. Bookoly is now successfully connected to your n8n instance. With the bookoly community node installed, your Google account set up for Drive, Sheets, and bookoly registration, and your API token connected to n8n, you're fully ready to start automating creative workflows with bookoly. And in the next video, we'll create a video using a mix of images and short video clips. Let's get started.